More reactions coming in with political vendetta also being alleged. But let's also speak about Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is appearing increasingly hemmed in, literally and figuratively, during his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate and current judicial custody in the Liquorgate case. After his petition against the arrest was dismissed by the Delhi High Court with some very adverse observations, Arvind Kejriwal's challenge in the Supreme Court has not got an urgent hearing as well. Meanwhile, he is running increasingly short of people who he worked with. In the latest, the Vigilance Department has terminated the services of Arvind Kejriwal's long-time ally and private secretary, his aide Kumar Bibhav. In his termination order, the department mentions a violation of appointment rules, non-compliance with the background check requirements, and a 2007 case of assault on a public servant. Accordingly, Bibhav's appointment has been deemed illegal and void, meaning that it never took place. In fact, this is about a man who has been with Kejriwal since the India Against Corruption days of Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, interestingly, Bibhav had also just a few days ago been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate, remember, in the Liquorgate case. The BJP is unsparing over the latest body blow to Arvind Kejriwal. Listen in to Kapil Mishra, who was also around during the initial days of the Aam Aadmi Party.
बिभव कुमार को अभी अरविंद केजरीवाल के निजी सचिव के पद से हटा दिया गया है और ये एक आवश्यक कदम था, क्योंकि बिभव स्वयं भ्रष्टाचार के मामले में जांच के दायरे में है और उनका जो अपॉइंटमेंट था वो भी गैर कानूनी तरीके से किया गया था। आज जब मुख्यमंत्री खुद जेल के अंदर हैं, तब पर्दे के पीछे से मुख्यमंत्री के इशारों पर जेल के अंदर से सरकार चलाने की, अपराधों के साक्ष्य मिटाने की कोशिश भी बिभव कुमार के द्वारा की जा सकती थी और ईडी बिभव कुमार से भी पूछताछ कर रही है। तो विजिलेंस डिपार्टमेंट का ये कदम एक सकारात्मक कदम है और निष्पक्ष जांच हो, इसको सुनिश्चित करने में मदद करेगा।
Now, Kumar Bibhav isn't the only one who has been sacked by the Vigilance Department. The same has also happened to Shailendra Sharma, who was an advisor to the Delhi Department of Education. His appointment had also allegedly been made without requisite approval from the LG. And additionally, there is a swirling question mark over a visit that he had made to London to attend a World Education Forum in 2022. Now, as per the Vigilance Department, that visit was also without the permission of the LG, and in fact, that Shailendra Sharma's name was also added belatedly to the travelling list. Furthermore, it also alleged that about 8.88 lakh was spent on the entire visit, and this expense was borne by the Delhi Education Department. In fact, breaking updates now coming in after sources said that the Aam Aadmi Party would challenge the removal of Kumar Bibhav in the Central Administrative Tribunal. The BJP's first response coming in. Listen in.
देखिए, उनके पास पूरा अधिकार है किसी भी ऑर्डर को चैलेंज करने का, परंतु जब भ्रष्टाचार पर या उनके कानून तोड़ने पर कार्रवाई होती है तो आम आदमी पार्टी का स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर बन चुका है विक्टिमहुड कार्ड खेलना। जिन लोगों ने इंडिया अगेंस्ट करप्शन के नाम से शुरुआत की थी, आज वो इंडिया अलायंस ऑफ करप्शन के स्वरूप में आ चुके हैं और किस प्रकार से वो आज भी सरकार तिहाड़ से चला रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है निर्लज्जता की सारी हदें पार है। इसीलिए इनके भी नेता आजकल उनको छोड़कर जा रहे हैं।